Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is another week in my life vlog. My name is Alexandria. I am 31 years old. I live here in New York City, and I make lifestyle content here on YouTube in addition to my day job. This is going to be, like I said, another week in my life vlog. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining us. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I hope you are liking the content that's coming out right now. And don't forget to hit the bell to get alerts when I post new videos. Subscribe and like this video if you're feeling it. What is going on right now? I wanted to come on here because I'm so excited. I mentioned in last week's vlog that hasn't even been posted right now. I have one more vlog to edit for you all as I'm filming this. And I had used the walking standing desk. So it's like a treadmill standing desk that we have in the gym here at my building. And I had some anxieties about whether or not I would be able to focus, or if I'd be tripping over my feet or anything while I'm trying to walk, which I can absolutely do, walked for many years, and focus on something else like being stationary at a desk. And it's gone pretty well. I've actually been down there for an hour and a half total today. So I went down for 30 minutes earlier just to do it while I had minimal distractions and no meetings. And I was just working through emails and stuff. And then I did it again when I had another break in meetings for an hour today. And I am just so excited because I have hated being sedentary for work. I've hated being stuck at a desk, and I'm my job is gonna make me sick because I have been so used to walking when I worked in hospitality and just not having to think about movement so much. But sometimes I'm here for 10 plus hours a day, depending on what the workload is like. So, and just I was really struggling with how I was going to manage staying in shape, not being sedentary, including movement in my days in a way that was just a little bit more, I don't want to say effortless, but would work and wouldn't hinder me doing work. And knowing that this, especially as it's getting colder outside and it's not as perfect weather for running as it gets colder and colder, knowing that I have that literally just downstairs that I can do work and get movement in is just so exciting for me right now. So I had to come on and share that. I'm going to take you all with me for the rest of the week. It is Wednesday. I did have my get together with my coworkers, and I did go into the office for the first time on Monday. I also went back on Tuesday because I forgot my charger when I went on Monday. So much fun. Coming from our company, having a party and having drinks the night before, and then being oh, I gotta get up and go to work the next day. But not only that, I had to go all the way back into Manhattan and come back before I started the day. That's over. The week I feel like it's going really slowly. It's Wednesday afternoon, and I am going to do some cooking. I think I need to do some grocery shopping and cooking, which I'm glad I got that walking time in, because I would have wanted to get a workout in again. I even yesterday, I took it as a kind of get my life together, start to get caught up day. Usually I would go running with my friend Mary on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yesterday was Tuesday. I told him, look, I need to take a rest day today and try to get my life together. Still not completely together, but whenever is it? So yesterday didn't run or whatever, but wanted to work out again today. So got that in, and I'm still working on my morning routine. I feel like I've started to trend down, but I think getting through this slump will kind of take me into the next level of having it locked in. Also working out during the day is just having that movement, and it's not even a workout. It's just that I don't have to sit for hour after hour after hour after hour, or wonder even if I want to do it for an hour in the middle of the day most days. Feeling I know that I can still work through that time is really just chef's kiss. What else is going on? Like I said, I'll take you all with me if I go to the store tonight, and also I'm going to be cooking some lamb, my first lamb of fall. I think I'm going to do lamb, Brussels sprouts, and mushrooms, maybe some potatoes if I go to the store. And what else is going on tonight? I think I'm going to work on a TikTok for some fragrance TikTok stuff. I had a wine TikTok / reel that people were reacting really well to. Instagram didn't share it as much as it has some of my other reels, but it's getting really good engagement for the amount of impressions that it has so far. So I'm really excited about that. Weather's great. We'll probably cook tonight, have my lamb and things. I might even eat on the roof with a glass of wine and just celebrate today and making it through most of the week. And my friend Rose and I are supposed to, so I'll be running tomorrow night with Mario, and then I don't have anything planned Friday, but I made friends with like some of my cool coworkers that I met on Monday too, so we may spend some time this weekend. And then on Saturday, I'm meeting up with Rose. She's Style Operator here on YouTube and on Instagram. You can follow her, especially if you like fashion content. She's all about cost per wear. She's all about personal style. She's all about, you know, working with what's in your closet and just really bringing yourself to whatever it is that you're wearing. So we're gonna get together, spend some time together, just because we know the end of the year is approaching, and you know, these last 10 weeks, they kind of go by, right? The end of the year at work gets to be a big thing. You have family stuff, you have friend stuff, you have personal stuff in between that. And then before you know it, you're just like, it's that way for me. Like next week, I'm traveling for my nephew's birthday, and then I'm coming back, and my mom's coming to spend some time with me, and then I'm traveling again for Thanksgiving, and then I come back, and it's just a couple weeks before the holidays, and then we have the holidays off, and everyone's doing their own individual thing for the holidays. So I'm like, it's gonna be 2022 before we know it, which is insane. I don't know where this year went, but just thinking ahead and knowing I want to spend some time with her before the year is out, and this weekend might be one of the last times I see her in 2021 in person, just because I know she spends time with her family and her partner and work. We all have work. So we're going to take this time to just be intentionally getting together, to see each other and create some content, catch up, and enjoy the city while it's like fall and beautiful outside. So that's what's coming for the rest of this week. And I will check back in with y'all once I start cooking, and maybe I have this place in better shape, because laundry has me in a chokehold. But let's not forget, we're celebrating. We're celebrating the the standing desk treadmill, and whoever invented that, just modern day necessity for me right now. So I appreciate it. I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, so it's almost quitting time at work. Excuse my background. I already know it's a mess. We're working on it, okay? It's almost quitting time at work. I have a couple things to do, but I think taking like a 15-20 minute break will help me have a little bit more motivation to just finish off that final step. I also just went up on the roof really quickly to see like some sunset vibes, started having a glass of wine, and what I'm gonna do now is season up some of the food that I'm cooking tonight. So I'm just gonna do a little prep basically with you all. And I think I'm going to just season up, cut up the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just gonna roast those, and actually I'll preheat the oven too. Cut up the Brussels sprouts while I preheat the oven and give them a little seasoning and lubrication, a little oil and stuff for how I'm gonna roast them. And then also season up the mushrooms, shouldn't be too much. And what else? I guess after that, I'll clean up the counter and season the lamb last. I'm deciding, I didn't get a rack of lamb like I wanted, pardon me, so I only have the little lamb chopped lollipops, which you have to watch those. So I'm gonna cook them on the stove top. Maybe I'll finish them off in the oven, but I'm gonna cook them on the stove top, probably in the cast iron, which means I'm probably gonna roast the vegetables in my glass Pyrex pan. So yeah, let's get into that and chop up some Brussels sprouts. Good morning again. The coloring in here is so not as cute as when the sun comes out super early. It's early. I got my early morning workout in today. I'm about to go make some breakfast and get my day started. I don't have a ton of meetings today, so I think I'm gonna go back down and like do the walking standing desk again today and just kind of get some sun. It looks a little foggy out, or maybe it's just the stickers on this window and here. Either way, I came into the yoga studio that we have here in my building and played. I did the AirPlay, that's the AirPlay Connect screen, with the Nike training app. And I actually liked it was like a pyramid hit workout that I did today. And I've taken a few of this master trainer's class, so I kind of like her stuff. I like low equipment, body weight. My upper body strength isn't great, so I'm trying to build it, but now that I'm heavier, I try not to put too much on my wrists, so I'm able to like modify and stuff like that. So yeah, got up early enough. It is like 7 o'clock now. What time is it? Is it 7? It's 6:59. Wow. So it's 7, which is kind of right on time to go ahead and get breakfast started, get a shower, have breakfast, and then start work a little bit early today. Well, as I want to most days, with a little content work, as well as getting through emails and other work stuff ahead of time. I was supposed to make a TikTok last night, about fragrance and stuff that I didn't. I checked in with you all while I was cooking. I did finish the lamb and vegetables. I actually made it, and I didn't go get potatoes, but I made it with the mushrooms and Brussels sprouts that I had. But now I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat today, because I don't have greens for a smoothie. And I don't have like anything for dinner. So, but I don't wanna order in. But I'm like, can I meet in the middle by like ordering in groceries? I'll see. So yeah, that's where I'm at now, and going to go get the day started. I'll check in with y'all later. Bye. Hello and welcome back. I left you all yesterday during a workout and had like an entire day without y'all. So rude of me. To give you the top line, I've been working at this standing desk treadmill in my building like nonstop. I'm in love. Had a busy work day. It's now Friday, and I don't have a ton of meetings. And I went to the butcher last night. I had gone to the butcher before, and I was looking for lamb, and they didn't have any in the window, and I just assumed that meant that they didn't have any. But then yesterday I decided to call before I went there, just to like not waste time, you know? And I call and I go, do you guys have any lamb rib chops or like a rack of lamb? And they're like, oh yeah, we do. I go in, there's none in the window. So when the person asks me like if I need help, I'm like, look, where the lamb at? Y'all lying or what? But they had it, and it's really nice, and I just made it, and I'll show you now. Where there's a cab.
Basically. All the yellow cabs.
All the yellow cabs, people going by, all of that stuff. St. Ambrose, people are gonna get tired of me vlogging St. Ambrose. Ooh. Okay, checking back in. It is now Saturday, and I am out with Rose, style operator here on YouTube. I've mentioned her before in my videos. We're old college friends forever. And we just went to Jack's Wife Frida and had some breakfast and coffee. And now we're off to capture some content for y'all. So I will take y'all with us as we walk through the city and film some stuff. Talk to y'all later. Let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. I feel like we should. Hello and happy Sunday. I am checking in from my new favorite toy. I mean, it's not mine personally, but in my building's gym, the walking treadmill that has like a desk area. I could walk on the regular treadmills, but I'm just doing like a 1 hour of movement while I do some stuff on my phone and jot some stuff down in my notebook to prepare for the week. Yesterday, I got to go out with Rose and hang out in the city, which was a lot of fun. And today has just been kind of a reset day. I completely forgot like what the date was at the time, or at least I didn't put 2 and 2 together, and realized that Insecure is coming back tonight, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna watch that tonight, kind of wind down. I did some content work earlier to make a reel for a fall cocktail recipe that I had been working on. I think I mentioned it before. Finally shared that out today. So find me on Instagram or TikTok at The Pushed Envelope. and you can see that like apple cider fall cocktail that I made, if you're interested in that. And then I have a wine reel and TikTok that I'm going to share either tonight or tomorrow, probably tomorrow, just because I like to get cute for my wine one. So I want to take my hair out of my twist, or out of the twist, and have the twist out. I guess that's a twist out. I want to have my full twist out in effect, and get a little cute for that one before I share it out. And then what else is going on today? Kind of a rest day. I like banged my leg in the shower. I took a bath and stuff earlier just to like relax and kind of do some self-maintenance, and tidied up my place. But yeah, it's been a real Sunday reset day. Enjoyed my weekend. I know this vlog wasn't a ton of stuff going on right now. Next week I think I'm gonna do my week of workouts leading up to me leaving for Florida.